everybody, and welcome back to Organized Joy. Today's episode is all about my January mission. And what that basically means is once a month, at the end of the month and the beginning of the next month, I mission around and I do all my chores. And I work out what I need for the house. I plan all my shopping. I plan all the bits and bobs I need to get, any special things, etc. And I go out and I do it all at once. Now, I do this after payday, obviously, and I do exactly what I've said. I plan it out. So what I try to do is I take, if you'll remember, I did a episode on chores, and it was all around how you plan similar chores together. So whether they are in the same area or same shopping center or like-minded things, or if you have to group a whole lot of garden things together and then go to the garden center once off. That was what the episode was about. That's what I do each month. Now, what I'm going to be doing this year, in 2018, is once a month when I have to plan them all out and work out what I'm doing, I'm going to be doing it with you and you're going to come with me. So this is January, and I'm planning for January and I'm getting January stuff. I'm doing it in December. Now, because there are holidays, that means you're also coming with on some of the pampering story. So I'm doing all my pampering and my chores all in a matter of 4 days, and you're coming with. Now, the big bonus of doing this at once is that you do it after payday. That way you have money and you get everything you need. So your supplements, your food, your groceries, etc. And pampering as well, if that's what you end up doing. I don't always do pampering at the end of the month. It's just working out that way this month. And it also means if you plan it properly and you really plan it and work out what you need, you won't forget anything. And you won't have to mission back and forth and pay parking 4 times to go to a place and have to find time to get back to the similar place to get it again. And that's a really big key. So, to being well organized. So, yeah, that's what you're going to be doing with me this month. Now, I am filming this actually in the middle of all my chores, because as I started doing it, I realized I actually needed to explain it a little bit better. So forgive me, but here is my my list. You've seen these lists before. You can get it on my download section in my on my website. And I literally go through it the month before. During the month, it sits up on my fridge and I work out what I need and what I've run out of. And then before I go and do all my chores, I really go through it and I see what else I need. And this month, because I'm also shopping for Christmas, you are coming on quite a few things. So my chores for this month include Super Sconto, which is an Italian wholesaler and spa. Then I've got various pampering, hair, Toast & Co for my nails, pedicure, waxes. I'm also doing my lashes in between all of that. Then I will be going to Pick and Pay. I have to go to Oakland's Butchery for stuff for Christmas as well. And then Woolies and Discount for my supplements and medicines and stuff. So those are the chores for the month coming up, and you're going to be coming with me. And then along the way, what I do is I literally scratch off as I go so that I know exactly what I've still got to do and what I don't have to do. Here's the shopping list for the month. Everything that is crossed off are the things I don't need this month. So I work it out each month, right? Let's just get that to focus there. Those are the things that I got. What I will do for you is down below, I'm going to link you to my one Pinterest board. It's all about being organized. So there's lots of tips and tricks on there on how to do this better. And I will also link 2 episodes for you. One around the chores that I just spoke about, and how to do that properly if you haven't seen it already. If you have, you can go and refresh it in your mind. And the other one I'm going to link for you is Beauty Regime, which is about your pampering and how to plan that for the year. So, as I said to you, I had filmed the beginning part of this video in amongst already having started all the chores, which next month it won't happen like that. So if this video has seen a little bit higgledy-piggledy, I'm sorry. I feel like it might. But forgive me, it was just me getting into grips of how to do this properly. But yeah, so that's how I do my chores and plan my life and get on my mission for the month ahead and make sure I have everything in the house ready for the month coming up. I hope that's helped you a little bit. Go and check out the links below so that you can see other ways to get more organized. And if you haven't hit subscribe, please hit subscribe. It's really important. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It's also really good for my channel. And yeah, other than that, thank you so much for joining me at Organized Joy.